what is HTML heading and how can you use HTML heading in your web page design. It's too much easy, and today I'll teach you how can you implement the heading styles in HTML5. So hoping you will watch this video until the last. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's to the page try, and if you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't hesitate to press in the bell icon. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. Now you can see here is my computer screen. So now let's start. How can we use the heading one style in HTML? It's too much easy. So you can see in my computer screen.
So here's my computer screen, and you can see this is the structure of HTML5. So today I'm going to talk about the headings. So what is HTML5 headings? It is the one of the most useful features of HTML. So if you are trying to learn HTML headings, then this is the right video for you. Please watch until the last. Okay, so without any late, let's begin our HTML heading tutorial. So what is HTML heading? So when you are creating a web pages, SEO, search engine optimization friendly web pages, then in that case you have to index your web pages in the Google, Bing.com, Yahoo.com, like this in this kind of search engine, right? So if you are trying to index your web pages in the search engine, then you have to use the heading. Then it will be very helpful when you are trying to index your web page in the search engine. So how can you use the headings? There are several types of heading. So first of all, I'm going to teach you how can you use the HTML headings. Okay, just wait for a moment. So I am going to use the heading one. There are 6 type of headings, right? So first of all, I'm going to use the heading. So this is heading 1. So after that, I am closing my h1 tag. So just wait for a moment. I'll save this one. Okay, just wait for a moment. So in the desktop I'm saving this one. I'm giving the name this one, index.html. okay, so now I'm going to open my index.html file. So for this I'm clicking in the index.html. Now you can see there is this is heading 1.
So now I'm going to teach about other heading styles. There are several heading styles: heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, and heading 5 also. There are lots heading style, which is we can implement in our web pages. So if you are also trying to learn these heading styles in HTML5, you can watch this video until the last.
Okay, so I have another heading style also, that is S2. So for this I'm going to S2. So this is heading 2. Okay, so another one is heading, this is heading 3. Okay, S4, this is heading 4. So another is S5. Okay, this is heading 5. Another is, sorry, just wait for a moment, H6. H6 also, sorry, H6 also available. This is heading 6. So these are the headings. So when you so now I'm saving this one, and I'll go in my Google Chrome and I'll refresh it by pressing F5 button. Now you can see there are 6 type of heading inside my web pages. Hoping you understand the headings And if you have still any confusion about the HTML heading, you can ask me in the comment sections.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and hoping that you understand about the heading in HTML5. And if you got some idea about heading, and if you have any kind of confusion about this video, you can ask me in the comment section also, and I'll try to give answer of your questions. So once again, thank you so much, and I'll meet with you another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you again.